Hi guys, welcome back. Last week we looked at the introductory part of this channel. So as promised, we are going to start right away with our computer skills, and today we are going to look at how to open an email account. For those ones who don't know how to open up to now, here is the video that will help you. So I have some basic steps that you need to follow when you're opening an email account for yourself. And let's dive straight to the video and we see the steps. So I don't know the device you are going to use for opening, but right now I'm using computer. So in your device you can go and choose any browser you like to use, something that actually is very easy for you to use. So for this case we're going to use Google Chrome. So in Google Chrome you come and you open your Gmail. So it's a little bit slower, but eventually we shall be there. So this is it. So this one, it shows that I already have an account here. For those of you who don't have, you come to this option, add account. So under add account you have this, which is shows create account. So here you're going to click and you see there are three options given until you have one which says for personal use. There's also an account you can create for your child. There's an account you can create for your work or for your business. So let's go with the first option for our personal use. Okay, here it will require you to enter your basic informations, your first name. For the purpose of our video, we are going to use this name here, Judah, as the first name. The last name will be James. After finishing this, come and click next. So we again have basic information to be provided here. This tells you the month you were born in. Like for our case, we can put August here. Let's say Judah was born on 20th of August 2000. And then we come to gender section. We have 4 options given here. You can choose the one you are comfortable with. So like for this, we are going with male. After providing that basic information, you just come and click next. You see, now email is so good, like they have already given you 2 accounts, like email addresses you can use. We have the first one and the second one. You can see if you're interested in this, any of this, you can select. If at all it is not so impressive for you, you can come here and create your own Gmail account. Under this section you just click and then it brings all the information. No need to go there. Let's just go straight to the first one, which is here. You click. After clicking that, you come and click next. So we are going to the section of providing password. So here what I would like to inform you about is about the password. You need to be very vigilant when creating a password, something that you can easily remember, and then something that you can easily keep it as a secret, because you will not like another person to log into your account. It will disorganize a lot of things. So like for our case here, we are going to provide password. Of course, as we said, it is something secret, so we are not going to allow anyone to know our password. After putting the first one, you come and confirm. Okay, yeah, if you like to see, you can come and click here, show password, and then it will show for you the password. Let's go next. You see, now we are almost there. here under this section, that recovery email account, email address, here you can put an address which you already had, or an address which you think your friend or your family member can provide you with. This part will help you to recover this very email address you're creating. So in case anything happens to this device or anything happens to your email account, you can use this recover email address to go through that. And then after providing, you come and click next. If you don't have any option, you click skip. So it's going to skip that. So our email address has already been created. Now the only thing you need to do is just to click next. It will provide for you your profile. And then under profile, you can go and add your picture or any information you like there. It will also show for you the options to compose an email to be sent to anyone. And also there's an option where you get sent. There you can check all the email informations, or all the emails sent for you. You just go and check there. So these are the steps. For more informations, you can as well go to the description box. Under the description box, I will give all the basic steps one by one, which will enable you to easily use for creating your email account. Thanks so much for giving in your time to watch this video. You can share this video with your loved ones, with your family members. At the same time, please don't forget to like, comment under the comment sections. Bye.